Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and today it's Patch Tuesday and it's Security Update Tuesday. Of course, that means for Windows. If you're on an older version of Windows like Windows 7 and Windows 8.1, you have some bug fixes and some security fixes mostly, including fixes for vulnerabilities and critical flaws in the browsers like Internet Explorer and so on. Also on Windows 10 with Microsoft Edge, and of course Windows kernel updates. 39 flaws in all that are actually patched. So make sure that you update your system. On Windows 7, you of course will have a patch. On Windows 8.1, there's a update. And Windows 10 has updates also. On Windows 10, you'll be at version 17.763.194 if you're on the October 2018 update, and you're at 17.134.471 if you're on the April 2018 update. So check out your updates. Lots of security. You know, I always get these people that tell others all the time, don't install security updates, these are bad and these are viruses and these. Please don't listen to that. It's really bad idea. This is important to make sure that you stay safe on your computers. So Patch Tuesday upon us. If you want to stay safe, just go to Windows Update, check for updates, and your computer anyways should normally update itself automatically at some point also. But it's very important to stay secure online to apply these patches. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.